This is a short video of how the Heald Square Monument was reinstalled 20 years ago. The Heald Square Monument is a bronze sculpture group by Lorado Taft in Heald Square, Chicago, Illinois. It depicts General George Washington and the two principal financiers of the American Revolution, Robert Morris and Haym Salomon. Berglund Construction and their elite crew of stone masons were on hand to complete this delicate task to perfection.
That crane rolled in there okay, huh?
Yeah, it was a little bit tight though. He made it though. It was
one turn?
A couple turns. He made it okay though.
Hey, these guys realize that thing's upside down?
Oh, no, that's the stage.
I guess this is how this looked before October. This picture was taken in October of 2001. I took this thing apart with another guy. This is how it's going to look once it's all together again. Friday the 13th, June the 13th, 2003. Got a stone coming? What do we have over here, Joe?
The tiny one.
The tiny one. Oh, that's a big baby.
I want to get home and make a bathtub out of it. Oh, he's got to be back in the yard.
How do we get the straps out? Cut them.
Yank
Yank them. We'll cut them.
Cut them now.
Yes, seriously. No, for real. We're going to cut them.
No.
Yes. Souvenir. Souvenir. Take it home with you. It looks much better over here, Gare. Okay, are we ready to set this monster? Ready on the right, ready on the left. Okay, I think this is for effect right here.
Coming straight down then?
Yes, sir. Straight down. Keep your fingers clear and all that good stuff. Put Georgie Porgy right in place. In. That's much better. Nice tight fit. facing the wrong direction? Oh, man.
Turned around.
Good job, Ken. Good job, Pete. Oh, wait. Videotape me. I videotape everybody else. Well, we set the statue of Mr. George Washington today on the